Epson is hosting its 4th annual Epson Digital Couture project on February 6, 2018, which will lead to Fashion Week in New York City. Designers from North America and Latin America will take advantage of Epson's textile printing solutions to create fashion designs around the theme. This unique fashion presentation will showcase the possible design possibilities thanks to Epson's digital imaging technology. The future of fashion is personalization, from colors and prints, to the size and shape of garments, all to order, said Keith Kratzberg, President and CEO of Epson America. Epson's digital imaging technology is changing the fashion business, providing a platform for designers to print more exclusive and higher quality designs for on-demand customers, as well as the ability to print just in time. This digital Haute Couture event shows how design, potential and impact on the fashion market have no limits. Before the fashion showcase, Epson will host a fashion and technology panel, a conversation that invites reflection on how digital technology is evolving in the fashion industry, as well as market trends and the role of technology in fashion.